Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to download and install Postman on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Open your favorite browser, type Postman latest version download. Postman latest version download. This is the https colon double slash www.postman.com. Open this is the official website of Postman. So yeah, if you are using Windows, click on this one. Windows 64-bit. If you are using any Mac, then go for this. Or if you are using Linux, go for this. Mine is Windows 11, so I'm clicking here. So it is downloading. There it is started downloading. See, this is the after once we are successfully installed. This is the look like Postman look like. See, users are there, right? Databases are there. These are the collections. In databases collection, these are the requests like get request, post request, patch request. This is the get mode. This is the method type. This is the URL. At last ID, the parameter. See, we are passing value. This is curly braces are there, right? Database ID. That means this ID we are passing from another request, like it is a scripting, some script. This is we will get dynamically. This value we will get dynamically. Once request successfully done, we are getting the status 200. This is the response JSON. It is like a pretty printing, right? So once it is successfully downloaded, then we can install the Postman on Windows 11. This same process as well for Windows 10. Meanwhile, create one folder for this software. I am installing all softwares in softwares for in D drive. It is recommended you to install every software in D drive. If D drive is not available in your system, then you can install on C drive as well. Postman. So Postman. Verify it is successfully downloaded. Go to folder. This is available here. Control X. Control X. Cut this file. Go to our Postman directory. Control V. Right click. Run as administrator. It will open one pop-up. Say to S. It is recommended to install every software as a run as administrator. If administrator option is not available, then you can go for run as. So installing Postman packages. See here now Postman is loading. So wait some time. This process will be completed. So just now I am uninstalled my Postman. Due to that, maybe these are the affected. These are the previously I tested through Postman, old Postman. Maybe I'm clearing these are. So I'm deleting. Discard changes. So Postman look like. Then create account. Here skip and take me to the Postman desktop. And account is so work email, username, password. So I'm taking this mail. I'm mentioning my name, Shankar. Password also I'm mentioning. See, some suggestions are giving. So I'm following those. Create free account. So Postman account is a free. So it is saying this username is already taken, has been taken. So we can mention on 56. Create free account. This username is already taken. Do one thing. SAN. This is also taken. So give a first interview. Create account. Postman account is a free to create. So okay. Here we have successfully created Postman account. So now Postman is opening. Now Postman is opening. Close these two. Close these two tabs. They are not required. So it is saying on pop-up say to allow. So it is asking the welcome to Postman. Tell us a bit about you. Your name. My name is Shankar. My role is backend developer. Continue. Yeah, once you are successfully logging into your Postman account, look like. So if you want to add any collection, this is a create collection. So blank collection. You can mention the collection name, right? Student, suppose student app. This is like a student app. This is the add a request. So you can mention the URL if any parameters are mentioned, if any authentication is there mentioned, if any address are mentioned, these are the default address. If any body is mentioned, if any script means like if you want to pass any field data one request to another request, then we need to write script. So in this video, we have successfully downloaded and installed Postman. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.